Today we're making almond peanut butter squares. Easy, no bake, a super delicious.
1 cup sugar, half cup honey, half light corn syrup, 1 cup creamy peanut butter, 1 teaspoon.
Line a 9-inch square pan with foil and butter it well. Keep aside.
Add sugar, honey, and corn syrup to a heavy saucepan. Bring to a boil on medium heat, stirring continuously.
Once it starts boiling, do not stir. Let it boil for exactly 2 minutes.
Remove from heat. Quickly add peanut butter, vanilla, and almonds. Mix well until everything is evenly coated. Pour the mixture into the prepared pan and spread evenly.
Let it cool completely at room temperature. Cut into squares.
Wrap individual and enjoy these crunchy, sweet almond peanut butter squares.